In this video, I will show you how to change your region on Valorant in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a internet browser and navigate to google.com. From here, just go ahead and type in the search bar Riot Games Support. And what you want to do is select the top option, which is support.riotgames.com. So just go ahead and press onto that. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're logged into your account. So to check this, if you come and click the three lines up in the top right hand corner, you will see if you're not currently signed in, you're going to have 8 options to sign in. So what we want to do when we know we're signed in is just scroll down this page until we find the image of Valorant and just go ahead and press that image. Next, what you want to do is just scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find the red button which says to submit a ticket, and then just go ahead and press that button. The next page is going to look like this, where it says submit a request. So what you want to do from here is just scroll down and you're going to have a box here. So if you click onto the drop down box, and what you want to do is select account management, data requests, and wait for it to refresh. And what you can then do is just scroll down a bit more after that's refreshed, and basically in the subject box, you want to put change region. So you see it's going to come up with some suggested articles, but you can just disregard this for now and just scroll down a bit further. And in the description box, what you want to do is just put something along the lines of, I am looking to change my region to. Of course, what you want to do is just basically put what region that you want to change that to, as I chose the wrong region initially. And then please, can you help? And then just thanks. So once that's done, you're going to see another drop-down box, and this one says please select your inquiry. So what you want to do is press onto that, and you want to click onto account management. Then you want to go ahead and put your login name into the next box. And then what you want to do, you're going to have another box. It says the same, please select your inquiry, but the options are different. And what you want to do on this drop-down box is just scroll down a bit, and you'll see it says need help changing region of residence, country assigned to account. So that's the option you want to go for. And then all you need to do is just scroll down all the way to the bottom and hit the red submit button down here. So after a second or two, that's going to go through, and what's going to happen, it's going to generate a ticket, which is like a receipt. And you can see at the top now it says your request was successfully submitted with a green tick. And we have a ticket ID number. So all you need to do now, you can see a quick summary of the ticket, and you can see it says open, which means being looked into. Generally, it takes about a day or two just for Valorant to get back to you, for Riot Games to get back to you, but keep an eye on your email, and what it will do is send you an email and assist you further. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you wanted to consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.